Some wooden boards and simple accessories transform the difficult-to-use corner cabinet into a small cart that can be freely accessed. It also included a pull-out partition, making it more convenient to access items and serve as a mobile control panel, which was incredibly practical. Due to the large space and poor organization in the kitchen's corner cabinet, many items were placed on the countertop, making the kitchen look messy. So I decided to modify it myself. The first step was to disassemble it. Start by removing the baseboard to examine the cabinet's support structure. Then perform a steel the beam and replace it technique by moving the support point to an unused area, removing the original support, and then taking off the cabinet door. Finally, remove a rectangular section from the bottom of the cabinet, as large as possible. Install a speaker-shaped entrance on the door side for the small cart to enter. Finally, use a noodle to adjust the edge, completing the dedicated parking spot for our cart. Take out the pre-cut wooden boards and proceed to the second step of construction. Build it from scratch. Use screws and corner brackets to assemble the wooden boards like building blocks. Assemble the base box, attach 4 casters to the bottom, and 2 guide wheels at the front. This way, the box functions like a 4-wheel drive vehicle, easily entering the entrance through the speaker-shaped opening. Wow, you're really a genius! Next, assemble the remaining wooden boards separately. Use sandpaper to smooth the rough edges and flatten uneven areas. Now we have all 4 components needed for the cart. Applying wood wax oil not only waterproofs and prevents mold but also enhances aesthetics. Next, fix the upper box to the lower one with screws and test it by pushing it in. The top is larger than the bottom, and the bottom is smaller. The tray is then installed with a slide rail for easy access. The tray is secured with this lifting bracket, which can withstand a pressure of 35 kilograms. Cover it with another stainless steel plate. When needed, simply lift the tabletop and lock the latch to use it as an operating table. Cut half of the previously removed baseboard. Attach the cabinet door with screws. Don't use hot melt glue on the board. At this point, our small cart is easily assembled. Push it into the cabinet, fitting perfectly. Finally, install 2 sets of slides in the corner cabinet and fix the custom-cut wooden board onto the slides. This completes our corner cabinet renovation. After this, the beverage cabinet is not only more convenient to use, but also significantly improves space utilization, allowing all items on the countertop to be stored inside. To be stored away, the kitchen looks much tidier, and additional workspace can be added when needed. Friends, see you next time.